Hey, what's up guys? I got another Zippo video for you. And I just picked up a couple of these Zippos. I figured I ought to show you so I can add them to my collection. First one is the Eat, Ride, Sleep Zippo. That's a limited edition from Marlboro. This one's brand new. You can see that, but it's H of 04. Pick that one up for $15. I also got this one for $10. It's the Let It Be Beatles Zippo. It's made in LXII. Next one is the just a regular, or it's a, if you see that, but it's Standard Supply and Hardware Company Zippo. Stamps upside down on that one. Don't know much about it. Do you know it's a Zippo? It's pretty old. Next one is the Greenbay package Zippo. Picked this one up for $10 also. It is not new, it's used. It's L of 06. That didn't work. Oh, by the way, here's the Beatles one. The next one is a regular brushed chrome in D of 05. Pick this one up for $10. This one is also 10. This one's also used. Alright. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.